Welcome guys to another video. I want to show you how I colored my soap base. Very interesting, beautiful and colorful. So let's see how I colored my soap base. We need caustic soda as usual. We need essential oil, but this is coconut oil. We need our soap mode. You can choose any soap mode of your choice. Colorant, you can choose any color, but I chose lemon and blue. Then we need water. This is a little quantity I want to make, so you introduce about 150 ml of water into the bowl. And then you are going to add your caustic soda. I added 4 spoons of caustic soda. This is a soap base you can use to make any other soap. You can use it in making your medicated soap, make your skin lightening soap. So you are going to stir this caustic soda in water to ensure that it's properly dissolved. Dissolve it completely. Alright, as it's properly dissolved, then you get ready to add your colorant. I chose this lemon and blue and it came out beautiful. So add your lemon. I added my lemon. You can see it very light. Then I added a little of my blue colorant. Color, and I love it. You are going to love this experiment. Alright, it's properly mixed, the caustic soda and the colorant. Next, let's add our coconut oil. As you stir this mixture, it's going to thicken. Reaction is taking place and the mixture will get thicker. As a matter of fact, it starts solidifying almost immediately. Get your mold ready. I added little caustic soda when I saw the viscosity was not what I wanted. You can actually control what you want to see. So as it gets thicker, you get your mold ready and the job is done. Controlled the viscosity to the thickness that I wanted to see. You can see it. So the more you are stirring, the thicker it's becoming. The reaction is very fast and it is an exothermic reaction. Heat is always released. Now you can see that it's thick. It's getting thicker. So get your mold ready now, and then the job will be done. It's going to give you a very nice color by the time it's ready. So it's properly mixed. Now I chose this mold because it's easy to pull out. So pour everything. You can see that it's thicker. Pour everything to the mold. You can actually make much quantity if you so desire. So you pour it into a mold like this and allow it to dry. It looks dry, but give it some more time because it's not properly dried here. So you allow it to dry completely. Please guys, like this video and share with your friends, please. And if you are new, kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for your support always. I love you. God bless you. Bye bye and see you in my next video. You can use this to make the soap of your choice. God bless you. Ask your questions if you have any. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.